Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some product empties. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first line up in my product empties is from one of my favorite hair care lines, TGIN. So this is the Rosewater Curl Defining Mousse. This is from the Rosewater Collection. This mousse is the truth. Not only does it give you perfect perm rod sets, but also a bomb twist out and wash and go. This is a must have. And then from the very first collection that TGIN created, the Moist collection, is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. This is when I fell in love with TGIN. This mask smells amazing, has great slip, definitely bomb. And then the Honey Curls Custard also smells amazing, works amazing. Love both of these products as well from the Moist collection. Next up in my product empties is another fave hair care line, Camille Rose. Camille Rose products are super moisturizing, and this co-wash, caramel co-wash cleansing conditioner, I'm not even a big fan of co-washes. I do co-wash from time to time between shampoos. I'm definitely a shampoo person. Have to cleanse the scalp and the hair. But I do shampoo in between, or I do co-wash in between shampoos. But this co-wash here, the slip, the definition from the co-wash, like, must have. I think I only had this for a few weeks before it was in the empties. And I literally have there's remnants of it around the bottom. I tried to add water to this and try to get some more out. This is a must have. Next up in my product empties is from a small Black owned business, Love Bold Cull. Know that you have seen me do a bunch of face mask reviews, and also I did one of my fave skincare videos and included Love Bold Cull. Absolutely love this brand. I'll leave my discount code in the description box so that you can save some coins on these amazing products. She makes amazing face masks and hair masks, and now she's come out with some hair products. So definitely check this brand out. But this is Slippery Hair Mask. Good to the last drop. I literally cleaned this container out. This hair mask, Slippery, is the perfect name for it. Amazing slip. Your curls are popping after you use this. This mask is a must have. Up in the product empties is another small Black owned business, and this is the Coco Naturals Hair Sleeker Strong Hold Edge Control. This stuff is bomb. Definitely will sleek your hair, sleek your edges. This is a bomb edge control. It says no flaking, no residue, non-sticky, and non-greasing. All facts. Definitely check them out. Next up in the product empties is a new brand to my empties, and this is Curlsmith. This is a brand that I just started trying this year in the summertime, and this multitasking conditioner says 3-in-1 conditioner. It's a leave-in, rinse out, or a deep conditioner. This stuff is bomb. Amazing slip. Your curls are popping using this. I've used it all 3 ways and I have been nothing but impressed. Definitely loving me some Curlsmith. Okay, next on the product Empties is another small Black female-owned brand, Lavish Curls. And this is the hair growth oil, which I absolutely love. This is my second empty bottle of this, so you know I'm loving this oil. She has some amazing hair products, a couple of different lines now. Check her out if you haven't already. Next up in the product Empties is a brand that is definitely not new to my channel, nor to my product Empties. It is Mielle Organics. First up is the Babasu Mint Deep Conditioner. I don't think there's anything that needs to be said. If you have not tried this on your hair, you're missing out. I mean, the minty feel, the tingle, the slip, this is a must have. And then next, from my absolute favorite line from Mielle Organics, the Pomegranate and Honey line. This leave-in conditioner, I think this is like my 3rd or 4th maybe empty. This stuff is the GOAT. Like this, unmatched. Unmatched. Definitely my top leave-in conditioner. And these Super Hold Edge Controls, yes, there are 2 of them that are empty. These, in addition to the fact that this line smells amazing, it works amazing. Like, gotta try the Pomegranate and Honey line. Okay, next up in the Empties is another small Black-owned business. Like, I hold it down for the small Black-owned businesses, the small Black female-owned businesses. You can find them on my channel everywhere. I support you 100%. But this brand, the one and only Gemini Naturals, the only temporary hair color gel, not wax, gel. This is the color Cobalt, which I absolutely love, and Midnight. 2 favorites. Both of these are a blue color, just different hues of blue. Absolutely love Gemini Naturals and all of the hues that she has. And these are from the old branding packaging. You'll see the new one soon. I will also leave my discount code from Gemini Naturals in the description box as well, so you can save some coins on these amazing vegan temporary hair color gel. Next up in the product Empties is another fave hair care line, the Main Choice. This is the Metabolism Rejuvenation Solution Extra Healthy Shampoo. In my last Empties video, I had the deep conditioner and the leave-in and a couple of other products from this line. The shampoo was the last thing that I had left, and I used it to the bitter end. This line smells amazing, works amazing, definitely a must try. Next up in the product Empties is another small Black female-owned business, one of my fave skincare brands, Red Rose Naturals. This is the French Pink Clay Glow Mask, which exfoliates and brightens the skin. This stuff is amazing. I think this is like my 2nd or 3rd empty of this. This is also the old packaging. My sis has upgraded. If you have not tried out Red Rose Naturals, you definitely want to try them out. This is the very first face mask that I've ever tried, and I am completely in love with this face mask and the turmeric face mask from Red Rose Naturals. So I will leave my discount code for this brand also in the description box so that you can save some coins on these amazing skincare, hair care, and body care products that they make. Okay, next up in the product Empties is a staple of mine. So I've been doing a lot of protective styles on myself lately, and I cannot do a protective style without my jam. This is the Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold, and this is the value size because I literally run through these. This is my second or third empty of this jam. Anytime I'm protective styling, I'm using this. Okay, next up in the product Empties is an OG to the hair care game. When I say OG, I mean OG. Like, I use this stuff, or I've had this used in my hair since I was a little kid. It is none other than Lustrous Pink. So this is the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Smooth and Hold Edge Gel. If you have not tried this edge gel, sis or bro, you're missing out. Not only are these products amazing, but they're super affordable. I was so sad when I finished using this because this stuff is the truth. So if you have not tried this edge gel or edge control, definitely check it out. Okay, next up on the Empties list is a new brand to the channel. This is the Design Essentials Avocado or Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. This conditioner is amazing. I also have the mousse from this line, which is so bomb. I did a bomb wash and go with it, but this conditioner, empty, it's amazing. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. So last but not least in the product Empties is another small Black female-owned business, Paidana Collection. This is the Avocado and Babasu Herbal Silk Deep Moisture Treatment. Definitely love this deep conditioner. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. So that is all for the product Empties today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hopefully you saw some products that you want to try, some products that you already love. Let me know in the comment section below which one you want to try or that you've already tried. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.